Hey y'all, welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy and I'm the keeper of the home here at 4D Farms, where we are all about faith, family, home, and farm, and in that order. And we're kind of like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're going to get. So y'all just come on in, grab a seat, take a look, and have a listen, because you don't want to miss a thing. Hey y'all, Tracy here with Keeper of the Home at 4D Farms. Hey Gmo, what's for supper? Let me walk y'all through this right quick. This morning, I took a pork loin out of the freezer and put it in the slow cooker, crock pot, set it on low, let it cook low and slow all day. Dear hubby came in here and put some seasonings and some broth in here. We got that going. That was from a hog that we had harvested, so that's a pork loin. I'm pairing that with a jar of home canned, dry packed butternut squash. I just jazzed them up a little bit with some butter, brown sugar. I used some maple syrup, but you can use a little bit of molasses if you want to. You can go a step further and put a little bit of cinnamon or just leave it out. Now I'm going to show you again another way that I use some of my frozen zucchini. I opened up this, or I took this pack out of the freezer, put it in the microwave for about 6 minutes. It thawed it out and steamed it at the same time. I opened it up, squeezed the juice, squeezed the water out. Now I'm going to take them and I'm going to layer them in here on top of each other. And we are going to be making scalloped or all gratin zucchini. I made a cheese roux. or a cheese sauce. I made a roux first with flour and butter, and then I just shredded up some Velveeta, a little bit of cheddar and mozzarella, and we're going to keep layering this on there. I'm going to bake this in the oven on 400 degrees till it gets good and bubbly. About 5 minutes into the remaining baking time, I'm going to add a layer of more cheddar cheese on top. Then I'm going to be adding some breadcrumbs that I took from just some bread that was going bad, and I toasted it up one day and then, or made croutons. Then I put them through the food processor, made my own breadcrumbs. We'll be seasoning those, putting them on top, and then that last 5 minutes, put it back in the oven, and then we'll have scalloped zucchini. So I'll show you what all that looks like when we get done, then we'll plate it up. Okay, y'all, the scalloped zucchini is out of the oven. I'm fixing to layer some cheese on top of that, put some breadcrumbs on top of that, put this back in the oven, let it finish baking, then we'll plate up. Here we are, guys. Everything's plated up, ready to go. Doesn't that look delicious? Just let me get y'all, let's get a little gander here. Bird's eye view. That's what you can do with some of the produce from your garden. And if you raise your own hogs or you have one butchered, there you go. That is tonight. Hey Gmo, what's for supper? See y'all in the next video.